Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial on building landing pages using Aweber, okay? In this updated 2025 tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a beautiful, high converting landing page from scratch. We're going to cover everything from choosing a template and customizing the design to publishing your page and making sure it's set up for success, okay? Using a real world example. So guys, the first step of course is going to go to aweber.com is this particular page in here. Now for those of you who don't know, Aweber is a well-established email marketing platform. Their landing page builder is a core feature that is going to let you create standalone web pages designed for a single focused goal. And the best part is that you can actually create a landing page for free using the free plan, okay? So here you're gonna get three different plans. You're gonna get the plus, the light, the unlimited. But when you first log in, you're gonna get a button that says, you can also try for free in here in the very bottom. And you can just click there and you can start for free, okay? Although it's important to notice that if you want to publish this landing page, you're gonna have to subscribe or to buy the domain or things like that, okay guys? Now the best part about this is that this is similarly integrated with their email marketing and automation tool services. This means, for example, that when someone is going to fill out a form on your landing page, they can instantly be added to your email list and even trigger an automated welcome sequence. Okay? So how are we going to create one? Is by going to the pages and forms section in here. This is the main dashboard. So just come to the pages and forms section and go to the landing pages section, guys. Now to make this practical, we're going to create the landing page for a fictional business coach. Our goal is going to be to capture email addresses by offering a free downloadable PDF guide called the Side Hustle Starter Kit. Alright guys, so let's click on create a landing page. Aweber has over 100 templates for different goals like selling a product, promoting a podcast, in our case offering a free guide. We're actually going to choose this particular category in here, which is going to be called freebie, okay? And that's going to have all of the basic structure that we need to offer free resources, guys. So just select from one of these ones here, okay? In my case, it's going to be download offer. I think that's going to be pretty good and pretty, relatable. So let's click on choose. Now we're in the editor. First of all, let's name our page. Let's call it, I don't know, Side Hustle Starter Kit, okay? As we said before. Now on the left, you have all of your building blocks, tags, images, button, dividers, videos, and rows, okay? You can just drag elements and drop them exactly where you want them. A blue line is going to show you where the element is going to be placed in here, okay guys? This is incredibly intuitive. So for example, you can see that this template has some built-in, features, such as this video in here. And I'm actually going to remove it, okay? Because I want to add something else. So I'm just going to click in here. Now we can also just select all of this text to kind of change the font, for example, like the font size, and also just the type of the font, okay? You can just change it to whatever you want, maybe something more relaxed in here, something like that. I don't know. Also, if we just select this part of the page in here, we can access the background color and we can change this to our liking, okay? To make it a little bit softer, like greener and things like that, okay? So yeah. Now, as you can see here, we have an image which is called logo ipsum, which is just like a template for a logo, okay? And we can customize this to our liking or to, using our logo or one stock image, okay? So you can basically upload an image here. You can design something on Canva. This is amazing. You can integrate with Canva to do something. And you can also search on S+, which is a stock image website, okay, which is amazing. You can also go to image gallery and they have some images in here, but they don't have too many. Okay, so you can just search for whatever you want. Right? Now, not all of the images are going to be compatible with this particular column in here. So something that you can do is you can select it and you can try to fit it in. If you go to size in, you can click on basically auto it in here. Okay, to kind of make it look or make it fit to this column. Okay, and that's going to look a little bit better. But in general, just try to, to pick an image that actually makes sense with the format of this column. Okay, something that is more vertical maybe than is wide. Now the sign up for is actually the most important part of this page in here. And you can see that it's actually here, it's included. Okay, if not, you can just drag it from the form section. But yeah, I have it here. We can customize what fields to show and how are they going to be shown. Okay, as you can see here, we have the name, that's cool. The email, that's also cool. But we can also add, certain form fields in here. You can also change the order, okay, by moving them around, as you can see here. But for a lead magnet, I think that a name on the email is going to work just fine. Now, this is crucial, guys. Under the submission tabs, we're going to find the tag here, and we're going to add this, okay? We're going to add guide download. What this is going to do is this is going to trigger every time that a new subscriber or a new lead, fills in this form, basically a guide is going to be sent to him, okay? Which is what we're looking for exactly, okay? So we're just going to go save and exit. So now when a lead is going to fill in the form, he's going to be added to the subscribers list in here. And you can see, your list of contacts and who has the guide download tag, okay? And based on that, you can just send him the guide or not to his email, okay? Which is what we're looking for. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the landing pages, I agree that maybe this tool is not the most complete. Maybe the editor is not so complete. It doesn't have a lot of, personal options or, design options. But it's basic and it's good enough for a basic landing page, especially for something like this, okay? So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it, and thank you so much.